year, the government of the Balearic Islands, with the collaboration of BID Foundation and a renowned group of experts that make up the scientific committee, holds the Innovation and Tourism International Seminar INTO. This seminar seeks to be a platform for the debate of research proposals and the presentation of good business practices to promote innovation in the sector. The aim of INTO seminar is to foster the transfer of knowledge and promote innovation throughout the entire value chain of the tourism industry and improve the competitiveness of the Balearic Islands. Since the first INTO in 2004, a variety of themes have been analyzed. In each edition, the seminar endeavors to bring together a distinguished group of national and international speakers. In the 14th INTO edition, professionals, entrepreneurs, researchers, and professors, among others, will gather with the aim of analyzing the potential of the circular economy for tourism. They will also discuss the main impacts, opportunities, and challenges of implementing a circular strategy in companies and tourist destinations. During the 2 days of the seminar, there will also be some parallel activities like a brokerage event or a participatory workshop.